Apple just dropped 1,010 crore rupees on Bengaluru's biggest office deal ever, and it's changing the game for India. Apple India has signed a massive 10-year lease with Embassy Group for its Embassy Zenith project on Sankey Road, Bengaluru. We're talking about 9 floors, 2.7 lakh square feet, a 120-day countdown to move in, and a monthly rent of 6.3 crore rupees. Add a 31 crore rupees security deposit and a total payout over the term of 1,010 crore rupees. On top of that, Apple gets 362 car parks, a 4.5% annual rent hike, and even the option to expand by another 1.2 lakh square feet. This is Bengaluru's largest ever single-tenant lease. But more importantly, it's Apple's loudest signal yet. India is its second home. Experts say this isn't just real estate, it's Apple betting on Indian talent. Bengaluru locals are already calling it the new Cupertino. On forums, people are saying, Foxconn is building iPhones here, and now Apple's HQ is moving next door. Bengaluru equals iPhone City. For tech professionals, this means opportunity and pressure. If you're in tech, Apple hiring here is about to skyrocket. If you're in real estate, Foxconn's 25,000 crore rupees plant at Devanahalli plus Apple's HQ means demand for rentals will explode. And if you're an Indian abroad, this is your red pill moment. Don't sleep on India. The best jobs may no longer be in Silicon Valley but right here in Bengaluru. Apple's billion-rupee bet is a 10-year vision. Not a temporary move. So here's the question. Would you choose Apple India over Apple USA? Drop India or USA in the comments, and if you believe India is rising as the next global tech hub, type Made in India below. Subscribe for more updates where immigration and global tech collide.